This is Bernie, your Revit Blaster here at Printastat Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. What's the TNT? Tips and tricks. In this video, I'd like to show you how to take the wall base of this brick veneer of the wall and bring it down to the foundation without bringing the rest of the wall down. Pretty nice little trick that they created in Revit. You'll see as I click on this wall, over here in the properties dialog box, it gives me the base offset is 0. Base extension is not highlighted. It's grayed out, which means you can't change it. So let's edit the type and go to Edit under Structure and hit the Modify button. Then scroll in. Put your cursor at the base of the material you'd like to have move, up or down, and unlock it. I want to do the brick, the airspace, and the sheathing. And now that's unlocked so it can move. Hit OK twice, and there it is. You'll see now there isn't one grip at the base of the wall, there's two. Because you can grab this grip, move it down to where you want it. I want to do it to the top of foundation from the first floor. You can do it that way, or, and you can lock this in if you like, or you can put it in your properties dialog box. You could type this number in. And that's pretty handy for when you're doing maybe brick shelves along the way, along the wall. You could split the wall and make one brick shelf lower than the other, higher than the other, however you like to do it. So that's how you do that. Unlocking these levels of material and moving them up and down. So what happens if we lock this? Guess what? That's not going to move anymore. And if I click on this wall and go into here, let's see if I can do this. Minus, oops, let's go back, minus 0, space 6. Oh, constraints are not satisfied. See, it's constrained by that lock. So that's a handy tool too. That's your detail. That's how you can do that. These are just detail components, so you know. That is it. Hope this helps you in all of your Revit work. If you have any questions, please contact us at Printastat Incorporated, printastat.com, and we will be glad to answer it. Have a great day, everybody.